Hi, welcome to the SAR Universe YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss G04 Dwell. G04 Dwell mostly using in CNC programming. Its function a pause in the program. We need pause of the program during clamping. If we need better finish of the part, at that time we are using dwell. Dwell is specified by P or X. Some machine assimilate P or some machine assimilate X. Dwells specifying in second or in microsecond. It is used to better finish of the part, and during clamping, auto clamping, it needs some second or microsecond. During dwell, program is pause, all machine movement at that time stop. If spindle is on, it will stay on. If coolant is on, it will stay on. Okay, let me explain briefly. Please follow me. G04 dwell. A dwell is simply a pause in the program. The duration of the dwell is specified by P in second or X in second. No machine movement will take place during a dwell. No auxiliary cords will be turned off. That is, if the spindle is on, it will stay on. Coolant will stay on, etc. Format G04P. Okay, now I'm going to explain with an example. Okay, format G04P. Example: program a 5 seconds dwell after positioning to X 10.0 Y 10.0 5 Z 5.0. G0 rapid move, G90 absolute programming, G54 fixture offset 1, G17 this one, XY plane select, G40 cutter compensation cancel, G49 tool length offset cancel, G80 canned cycle cancel, safe state line, safe start line. This line of block is called safe start line. T1 M6 tool change, spindle speed 2500 M3 means start spindle in clockwise direction. Then next block G0 rapid move X 10.0 X 10.0 and Y 10.0. Okay, I'm going to save it. Rapid to XY position, Z 5.0 rapid to Z position. Same G0 default here. We can rewrite G0 also here. If we are not writing, means this G0 rapid mode is default here. We can write, no problem. Okay. G0 rapid move, Z 5.0 rapid to Z position. G4. G4 means dwell at 5 second. 5.0 5 second. Dwell for 5 seconds. M30 program end and rewind. Means this when program read in this line, the program is stop. If and X Y Z motion will be stop. If spindle is on, it will stay on. If coolant is on, it will stay on. P 5.0, in the place of P we can write also X. Some machine assimilate X 5.0 means dwell at 5 second. If we specify in millisecond, then you can write like that. 5 means 0.5 means 5 millisecond. Okay, like 1 second equals to 1000 millisecond. M30 program int and rewind. I think you understood. Please like the video and hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.